Hello, dear viewer. In this video, we will learn how to sum multiple values of a single cell by text split function in Microsoft Excel. When you have multiple values in a single cell and separate by character and you want to sum it. Look into the following example. In cell B2, here is 6 values separating by slash symbol. I want to sum these values in cell C2. Regularly, we do sum these values by typing manually equals 120 plus 54 plus 100 plus 96 plus 48. But in this method, you have a lot of time waste. Now Microsoft Excel add new feature text split function. By using this function, you can do such work with a minute. How we will use this function? Let us see an example. Go to cell C2, then type equal sum bracket open double dash, bracket open, text split, bracket open, select cell A2, comma, quotation mark, slash, quotation mark, bracket closed, bracket closed, bracket closed, and press Ctrl plus Enter key. Copy this cell and paste these cells. If you change value, sum will be changed accordingly. If you change here slash symbol to comma punctuation, then edit formula here under double quotation type comma. I hope guys you find this video helpful information. If so, then please do like and subscribe to SoftNow to see more such content. And I will see you soon with one of such another videos. Till then, you take care of yourself and bye bye.